Hello guys, today we are going to learn the seventh part of parts of speech, which is conjunction. So now you may ask, what is a conjunction? Conjunction is a word which joins two words or two sentences or even more than two words or sentences. That is why they are also called connectors. They connect words to words or sentences to sentences or words to sentences or sentences to words. Let's understand it with the help of examples. Sentence 1, it says Mohan and Suresh are brothers. Can you guess which word is connecting these two nouns? Mohan, Suresh? Yes, you are right. It is and. So in this sentence, the conjunction is and. In sentence number 2, it says the ants gathered and took the elephant to the doctor. Here again, the connector is and, but now it is not adding two words, it is adding two sentences. In sentence number 3, it says she is honest but not dexterous. Now, we can make two sentences from the above sentence. What are they? She is honest, she is not dexterous. Dexterous means laborious, the one who labors hard. So, instead of writing she is in both the sentences, we combine both the sentences and add them with but, and sentence becomes she is honest but not dexterous. Likewise, we have another sentences. We have a list of few common conjunctions which we already use every day, don't we? They are and, or, but, because, if, so, therefore, hence, however, that, when, for, whether, and so on. Now, what are those sentences or words which a conjunction can join? Conjunctions can join two words and they can be nouns or pronouns, either in nominative case, which is subject of the sentence, or in objective case, which is object of the sentence. It can add a group of words with a word or another group of words. It also adds sentences which satisfy the conditions and also adds sentences which have either the same meaning or even the opposite meaning. Let's have a look. We have already seen sentences like Ram and Sohan are brothers. Now we have few sentences here. Let's take a sentence. It says Willie can take part if he prepares himself. So there is a condition that he can only take part if he prepares well. Or we cannot come out of our houses until Corona ceases to exist. Condition: until Corona dies, we cannot come out. Or opposite sentences like he did not like the food, however, he paid the bill. So all these words which are in red are conjunctions. That is all for now. See you in the next class. Thank you so much and keep safe.